Sea animals. Barrelea fish. Also known as spookfish, they have transparent heads filled with fluid, allowing them to see through their own skulls. Barrelea fish. Dumbo octopus. Named after the Disney character, these octopuses have ear-like fins on their heads and live deep in the ocean. Dumbo octopus. The blue dragon. The blue dragon, also known as Glaucus atlanticus, is a type of sea slug that floats upside down on the surface of the ocean and feeds on venomous creatures like the Portuguese man-o'-war. The blue dragon. Yeti crab. Found near hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean, they have hairy chests that contain bacteria, which help them detoxify poisonous minerals. Yeti crab. Frilled shark. Frilled shark resembles an eel with its long, slender body and frilly gills. This primitive shark species lives in deep waters. Frilled shark. Blobfish. Blobfish looks like a gelatinous blob with a droopy face due to the lack of muscle and the high-pressure environment in which it lives. Blobfish. Leafy sea dragon. These relatives of seahorses resemble floating pieces of seaweed with leaf-like appendages that help them camouflage in their habitat. Leafy sea dragon. Fangtooth fish. Fangtooth fish is known for its abnormal large teeth. This deep-sea fish is one of the deepest living fish species in the ocean. Fangtooth fish. Mantis shrimp. They possess incredible punching power, with some species able to strike with the force of a bullet, and they have complex eyes capable of seeing polarized light and a wider spectrum of colors than humans. Mantis shrimp. Sea pig. This creature is actually a type of sea cucumber found on the ocean floor, resembling a plump pink piglet. Now let's revise what we have learned. This is a mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp. This is a Dumbo octopus. Dumbo octopus. This is a sea pig. Sea pig. This is a barreleye fish. Barrelea fish. This is a blobfish. Blobfish. This is a leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragon. This is a blue dragon. The blue dragon. This is a yeti crab. Yeti crab. This is a frilled shark. Frilled shark. This is a fangtooth fish.